How to split a video in VN Video Editor. Want to break your clips into parts? Here's how to split videos in VN Video Editor. First, tap on the video clip in your timeline. Move the playhead to the exact spot where you want to split. Now tap the split button. It looks like a scissor icon. Your clip is now divided into two separate pieces. You can move, delete, or edit each part individually. This helps with rearranging scenes or removing unwanted bits. Use split along with trim to polish your video perfectly. Do you use split tool often? Let us know your favorite editing tricks in the comments below. And that's how you can split a video in VN Video Editor. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.